Hey, Keeler, California, it's time to fire your utility company. Here's how you can generate your own power on your terms. Look, I'm going to be real with you. Your electric bill is only going one direction, and it's not down. These utility companies have had us trapped for way too long, and I'm sick of it. Extreme weather, wildfires, or just overloaded systems, blackouts are happening more and more. With solar and a battery backup, your family can keep the lights on, the AC running, and dinner on the table, even when the grid goes down. Going solar isn't just about saving money, it's about showing your kids or grandkids what it means to care for the planet and your home. It's a legacy you can be proud of. Unlike a new TV or car, solar panels actually put money back in your pocket. Every month you save is a return on your investment, and those savings add up over the years. Let's be honest, dealing with big utility companies can feel powerless. Solar gives you the independence to generate your own energy on your terms. You recycle, you compost, you turn off the lights. Going solar is a natural extension of your values, and it just feels good to know you're making a difference. Energy prices will keep rising, and fossil fuel rules will only get stricter. By going solar now, you're staying ahead of the curve and setting yourself up for a cleaner, cheaper future. Solar panels with smart inverters and batteries turn your home into a high-tech powerhouse, ready for whatever tomorrow brings. But here's the catch. There's a big bill that is taking away tax credits, rebates, and net metering. If you wait, you could miss out on thousands in savings. Act before the big, beautiful bill makes these incentives disappear. Worried it's complicated? With new programs and expert support, going solar is easier than ever, often no money down, hassle-free, and customized for your home. Don't wait. These incentives are disappearing fast. Every month you delay is money lost to the utility company. Drop your info in the link below to see exactly how much you could save. It takes just 2 minutes. Future, you will thank you.